Hello children, today we are going to solve more and more sums on subtraction. As you know, subtraction means finding the difference of two numbers, or you are subtract from the minuend and you are getting the answer as difference, right? Here we are going to solve one more sum of regrouping where I have written copied sum from your book exercise. First step is always writing your place values and then you will copy the sum. I will start with the ones column. I have 5 and 9 over here. I can't take away 9 ones from 5 ones. So I will borrow from the 8 tens. That is tens column. So I have here 8 tens. So I will borrow from this 8 tens. When I am borrowing 1 10 from this 8 10, I will left with 7 tens. Got it? Now when this 110 will come over here in this ones column, it will regroup and it will become 10 ones. You already have 5 ones with you, so now you have 15 ones altogether. So 15 minus 9 you will get 6 ones. Now you can easily subtract 2 tens from this 7 tens. What is the answer? 5 tens. Coming to the 100 column, you have 900 and 500. So 900 minus 500, what is the answer? 400. Coming to the thousands place, you have 1 and 4. You can't take 4 thousands from 1000. So you need to borrow. So you'll go to the 10,000s place. There you have 2 over here. So you will borrow 1 10,000 from this 2 10,000s. So you will left with 1 10,000. And when this 1 10,000 will go to thousands place, it will regroup and it will become 10,000s. Already you have 1,000, so now you have total in and all 11,000s. Now 11,000s minus 4,000, what is the answer? 7. Coming to the 10,000s place now. 10,000 place, you have 1 10,000, but you need to take away how many? 3 10,000s. You can't do that, right? Here subtrahend is more than minuend. So you will come to the lakhs column. There you have 7 with you. So you will take 1 lakh from this 7 lakh. You will left with 6 lakhs. And when this 1 lakh will come to this place, that is 10,000, it will regroup and it will become 10 10,000s. You already have 1 over here. So it will become 11 10,000. So now 11 10,000s minus 3, what is the answer? What is the answer? 8. Okay. Now 6 minus 6 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So now you will subtract this 2 lakhs from 6 lakhs. What is the answer? It's very easy calculation. So 4 lakhs. Now coming to the 10 lakhs place, here you have 3 and 8. You cannot subtract 8 10 lakhs from this 3 10 lakhs. So what you will do? You will borrow from the crores column. But as you see over here you have 0. You cannot borrow from crore place. So you will move further. You will go to tens crore place. That is 10 crore place. Here you have 2. So you can borrow from this 2. So when I am taking 110 crore from this 2, I will left with 110 crore over here. And this 110 crore, when it will come to the crores column, it will regroup and it will become 10 crores. Okay. Now this from this 10 crore, actually I want it here, right? I want to borrow. I want to subtract this 8. So I will from this 10 crores, I will take 1 crore. So I will left with 9 crores. And when this 1 crore will come to this 10 lakhs column, it will regroup and it will become 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus this 3 lakhs will give you 13 lakhs. So now 13 lakhs minus 8 lakh, what is the answer? 5 lakhs. Now 9 crores you have and 6 crores. So after subtracting 6 crore from 9 crores, what you will get? 3 crores. Okay. And now here in this 10 crore column you have 1 and 1. So 1 minus 1, what is the answer? 0. So you understood? So what after subtraction operation, what is the answer you got? That is 3 crore 54 lakh 87,456. Thank you. Let's solve one more example. First step, as usual, you will copy place value chart. Then you will copy the sum properly, that is ones below the ones, tens below the tens, till higher column, that is 10 crore. Now here, as you see, in ones column I have 2 and 8. I need to borrow, I need to take out 8 ones from these 2 ones. That I can't do. As you know, I have to go to the tens place. So tens place I have 6 with me. So I will borrow from this 6 tens. When I will borrow, I will cut this 6. I will left with 5 tens over here. Okay, and when this 1 tens is coming to the ones column, it will become 10 ones. And now this 2 plus 10 ones, I will get 12 ones. Now 12 ones minus 8 ones, that will give you 4, right? Now you have in tens column, you have 5 tens and minus 4 tens. That is very easy. You will get 1 tens as a difference. Now here in 100 column, you have 5 and 2. That is again a very easy calculation. So you can easily subtract 200 from 500. That will give you 300. Now coming to the thousands place, here you have 0 thousands, and you need to take out 6 thousands out of it. So you can't do that. So you will go to the 10,000s place. Here you have 8. So you will borrow from this 8. You will borrow 1 10,000 from this 8 10,000. So you will left with 7 10,000s. And when this 1 10,000 will come to the thousands place, it will become 10,000s. Now 10,000 minus 6. What is the answer? 4. Got it? 4,000. Now again over here, if you see, you have now 7 10,000s and 9 10,000s. You can't take out 9 10,000s. So you will borrow from the lakhs column, that is 6. So you will write here, as you have taken 1 lakh from this 6 lakhs, you will left with 5 lakhs, and this 1 lakh, whatever you have borrowed, when it will come to the 10,000s place, it will regroup and it will become 10 10,000s. Already you have 7. So after adding 10 to the 7, you will get 17 10,000s. Now 17 minus 9, what is the answer? 8. Now you have 5 lakhs with you and 1. So what is the answer? 4 lakhs. Now over here, if you see in the 10 lakhs column, you have 4 and 3. It's again very easy calculation. 4 10 lakhs minus 3 10 lakhs. You will get left with 1 10 lakhs. Now in crore, you have 8 crores and 9 crores. You can't take out 9 crores out of 8 crores. So you need to borrow from 10 crores column. Here you have 5. So when you are taking 1 10 crore from this 5, you will left with 4 10 crores. Okay, and when this 1 10 crore will come to the crores column, it will become 10 crores. But you already have this 8, so your answer will be 18 crore. Now you have 18 crores and you need to take away 9 from it. So what is the answer? 9. And here you have in 10 crore, you have 4. And this is 2 10 crores and this is 4 10 crores. So when you are subtracting 2 10 crores from 4 10 crores, what is the answer? 2. So now at the end, what is the answer after subtraction operation? 29 crore 14 lakh 84,314. So this is how you are going to solve the sums with the subtraction, right, for the large numbers, and using the regrouping technique, that is borrowing. Thank you.